Just had a person who was on my live show, and she said that she went off the program, okay? And then when she went back on the program, I'm talking about keto and intermittent fasting, it didn't work. No results. And she's frustrated because it worked before. Why doesn't it work now? Well, the best way to screw up your metabolism is to go off the program and then back on the program and off the program and back on, back and forth. What you're doing is you're confusing your metabolism. Your metabolism is a living, dynamic thing that adapts to the environment, to the foods that you eat. The number of times you go on and off and you're not consistent, you're gonna have problems. Now, I know this probably doesn't apply to you, but you may have friends or family members that are not consistent with keto. Here's what you tell them. There are 3 variables you work with. You got the carbs, got the protein. You want to keep the protein at a moderate amount, not too high, not too low. Everyone is a little bit different. At the very minimum, 3 ounces to 8 ounces, depending on your metabolism, your age, and how big you are. But the other 2 variables are very, very important. The slower the metabolism, the lower you need to reduce your carbs. Bring it down to 10 grams per day, not per meal. If you have too much fat, your body will start to turn the dietary fat into ketones more than your own fat. So let's bring this down, not less than 75 grams, okay? So right there, that's gonna help you. And then next one is to fast longer. These 3 actions right here should pretty much handle the problem. So whatever fasting schedule you are on, if it's whether you're eating 2 times a day, just bring it down to once a day. If you're at once a day, OMAD, then reduce it to 1 meal every other day. Don't forget to take the supplements in between so you have enough electrolytes. If that doesn't speed things up, then we need to add more sleep and reduce more stress. Usually, reducing stress will help you sleep more, and sleeping more will reduce your stress. So these go hand in hand. And to be able to sleep, you may need to exercise to reduce the stress, but don't over-exercise. But these are 3 really important variables. There's other ones as well. Be consistent. Don't go off the program for very long, maybe for 1 meal or something, then get right back on. But stay consistent, and that way you can take your body out of confusion so it can work with you instead of against you. Thanks for watching.
Hey, we're back.
With another amazing recipe.
No grains, no sugar, totally keto. There's no suffering in keto.
Absolutely not, Karen.
And it's an immune system builder.
Absolutely. You have to check this out.
I think you should hurry up, watch the recipe, and make it yourself. It's just so easy to be keto.
But is it simple?
It's super simple. We hope you enjoy making it as much as we are enjoying eating it.